Italy is full of iconic destinations like Rome, Florence, and Venice, but it also hides many lesser-known gems that offer unique experiences and stunning landscapes. Here are some of the least-known places in Italy worth exploring. Second 5. 6. Pitigliano, Tuscany. Often called Little Jerusalem due to its historical Jewish community, Pitigliano is a striking town built on a tough cliff. Its narrow streets, ancient synagogues, and the unique atmosphere of the town make it a hidden gem in Tuscany. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and feel free to share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.
7 Ascoli Piceno, Marche.
A charming medieval town with one of Italy's most beautiful squares, Piazza del Popolo, Ascoli Piceno is rich in history and architecture. The town is famous for its stunning travertine buildings and its local delicacy, olive ascolane, stuffed and fried olives.
8 Santa Maria di Leuca, Puglia.
Located at the southernmost tip of the Salento Peninsula, where the Adriatic and Ionian Seas meet, Santa Maria di Leuca is a peaceful town with stunning coastal views, historic villas, and a famous lighthouse. It's a great place to explore the less touristy side of Puglia. 9 Orvieto, Umbria. Perched atop a volcanic tuff cliff, Orvieto is known for its magnificent Gothic cathedral, underground tunnels, and Etruscan history. Despite its beauty and historical significance, it remains less crowded than other Umbrian towns.
10 San Fruttuoso, Liguria.
Accessible only by boat or hiking trail, this hidden gem is home to a secluded abbey nestled in a small cove along the Italian Riviera. The serene beach, crystal-clear waters, and historical abbey make San Fruttuoso a perfect spot for those seeking solitude and beauty.